Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to Chito's Journey. Andito po tayo guys sa Dumaguete Boulevard. Ayan yung kanilang galyon ni guys, oh. The replica na galyon ni Magellan, Ferdinand Magellan guys. Ito po 'yon. So flex natin guys. Ito yung Dumaguete Boulevard. Ayan, oh. Yung kanilang puerto guys. Port of Dumaguete City. Andon yung Siliman. Ayan guys. Right there, there's somebody dancing Zumba. Pwede naman tayong sumakay. May mga pasahero guys. May pasahero, dalawa na iwan. Ito yung canyon, oh. The Canyon of Magellan. Ang mga Espanyol dati guys. Ayan, nagsusumba. Yung banda doon guys, doon yung Siquijor. Right there naman guys, Mindanao na yun guys, Mindanao Island. So ito pa yung Panilongon. What is Panilongon? Lalakad. Tingnan nyo yung tubig nila guys. Crystal water. Very clear. Yan. Nakikita talaga yung bato guys sa ilalim. Ayun yung mga bato doon. So, yun. Now we're facing to the east. Sunrise. Yan na. Haba ng boulevard nila guys. Ayan doon. Maganda to dito guys pag gabi. Ang liwanag. Magaganda yung mga ilaw. Dito po, this is Dumaguete City located in Visayas. Dumaguete City, province of Negros Oriental. Maglalakad-lakad tayo. So later on, kakain tayo ng putumaya. Yung putumaya dito guys, meron doon nagbibenta ng putumaya. Flex natin guys. Ayan, oh. So dito pa rin si Dr. Jose Rizal. Ayan naman guys. Pilipinas. Marami dito nag exercise. Diba ang ganda? So now, harap tayo ng Mindanao guys. Mindanao right there. Yung doon guys, paikot kayo ng Zamboanga Peninsula. Sige, diba? Malapit lang. That's it guys. See you later. Bye-bye. We're going to San Carlos later on. Bye-bye.